Ho, ho, ho! Welcome to the month of December. It is Christmas time, and Glenn and I have got back from SEMA a month ago, where we went to the Koch Chemie booth, and we managed to get in contact with Justin, who has given us GFX, which is GFS with a nice Christmas scent. So I'm really excited to try this product out. Glenn and I wanted to do this in the month of December so that we got into the real Christmas spirit out here washing our cars. Glenn's kind of dressed me up like the summer version of Santa Claus, and we're just going to have a nice time using this product, smelling it, feeling real festive, and just enjoying the beautiful sunshine out here cleaning cars.
That was interesting, because the question that we had for Justin at Koch Chemie at SEMA was, hey, we want to try GFX. How can we get it in New Zealand? And he said, oh, look, we're doing a pretty limited run this year. He told us a couple of suppliers, and he goes, oh, hang on, boys, just take this bottle. Just take this bottle.
So this is our Christmas present, basically, from Koch Chemie. We know that GFS is one of the best soaps on the planet. We've made a lot of videos of that. We really like that cherry scent. We really like the lubricious properties of that soap. So if you want to go and have a real deep dive of why we like that, go and watch that video. We explain a lot about it. Today, this is just Glenn and I using this, making a nice festive video for the people, you guys, who support us throughout the year. So as everyone will be really interested to know is the scent of this product. Have a big smell of that. Now, do you know what YouTubers do? Do you know what detailing companies do? They just go, it's just a nice,
pleasant,
fresh, pleasant, refreshing scent. Smells like Christmas time. I'm going to tell you now, it literally smells like cinnamon.
Yeah, it does. Do you know what? And I'm not the biggest fan of cinnamon. Like
So I don't like cinnamon. I don't like cinnamon as like the taste.
Yeah.
I just don't like the taste. But let me tell you, if there was a scent that would describe Christmas, it would be this. And I can just imagine now that we're going to foam it in here, it's going to smell like the Christmas tree. It's going to smell like all that. Imagine if this was like a scent in your house at Christmas time. This is what this would smell like. So I think they've done a pretty good job at releasing a Christmas scent. It's only available basically in the sort of 1 to 2 months leading into Christmas. So we're really lucky to get our hands on this. And I think they've done a good job on the scent.
There's no mistaking that smells like Christmas.
No.
And I'm getting a whiff of it just from the open bottle. It is far more potent in scent than like GFS.
And we've just finished making a video maybe a month ago on the old Griot's foam cannon. Are you loving using this?
Yeah, this is my new favourite detailing product, actually.
We're just going to pour the soap straight in here. How much do you want to use?
Let's put 100 ml. What I have found with this foam cannon is that it will struggle if you don't have enough product in there if you're using the metering tips, just because that...
I think I put in too much.
Okay.
I put 200 mils of soap in here.
Oh my goodness.
You'll be able to use it for another time.
The thing is, the tube needs to be sitting in the product in order for it to pick up. So if you get down to about 50 ml of product undiluted in there, it doesn't do a great job at picking up. So just make sure 50 is basically your minimum level. So
and the measuring tip in here is going to basically pull out a good amount of product to mix with the amount of water so that we get really nice foam. And we're just going to have a real nice festive wash, eh, Glenny boy?
I reckon what we do is we double foam this. I reckon you foam it, get all the scent in the air.
Yeah.
And because you got 200 ml of product in there, and we know we're only going to use like 50 ml.
All right.
I reckon then I have a turn. Because the whole idea here is to get the smell in the air. Just really enjoy this.
I just feel like I'm sort of, I know it's sunny outside, but do you feel like you're sort of sitting by the fire? It's nice and warm. You got the Christmas tree. You got Santa's little stockings. You got all this nice sort of smell. Mum's cooking in the kitchen. She's got the nice little sort of gingerbreads going, and that's the smell.
Sounds like you have a great Christmas. That's what it sounds like.
Let me just connect the pressure washer, otherwise we ain't smelling Christmas at all.
Water on. Pressure washer on. Foam go. I can smell it in the air already.
Yeah? You can smell it?
In the air.
You can smell it. Smells like Christmas. I think we need a bottle of this every year because you and I are going to make these videos at Christmas time. And I really like the scent of this to associate it to the Christmas smell. And we'll be washing at Christmas time, so I think we got to...
Maybe it's a new SEMA tradition. We'll add it to the list. Bring back a bottle of GFX every time. All right, let me have a turn. Let me have a turn before you use it all.
Okay.
Yeah, before we use all the product. I want to enjoy the Christmas spirit too.
So the foam's on there absolutely beautifully, like we already experienced with the Koch Chemie GSF soap. Nice, thick soap.
Yeah, I mean, there's not really so much else to say about it in the foaming stage other than it's windy and we get a bit of a whiff of that smell. So I'm hoping that this is going to perform exactly the same as GFS. I'm sure it will. I'm sure it's just the GFS.
It's just the scent that's been changed in the soap, so it's going to perform exactly the same.
And we know GFS, super slick, great product to work with, foams really nicely. So we'll make up our buckets and get into a contact wash with us. All right, so we'll throw the remainder of the product in the bucket here.
Looks like you were throwing it all in the bucket
We were
there.
throwing it all in the bucket. And then we'll give this a stir. Oh no!
Oh no.
Hey, where's your foam cannon?
In the box.
No, this is your one.
No, it's not.
Got any damage? Griot's gonna have to send us another one. Oh, Griot's, you've done it again.
Oh my lord.
Do you know what? No damage.
It's made of that tough plastic.
Wow, that's fantastic. You wouldn't even know. You won't even know when I swap yours with this one. So we've got our deionized water here. Getting a whiff of that smell.
Oh yes I am.
Once you get this product in the bucket, it definitely fills up the area with the smell.
Yeah, and you can smell it nice and close to the... I think everyone's going to say, you guys have done nothing but talk about the scent. I mean, this has got the same great lubricating properties like GFS does.
It is extremely slick.
It foams exactly like it does, and so it's just continuation of a really good soap. So
this is still top 2, top 3 soaps for us. Well, the traditional GFSs anyway, and I mean, this is just the variation of scent, so that's a great soap.
I think we need to get a bottle of this so that we can use this every year, because this is going to remind us of, you know, a Christmas wash.
It will. I mean, I'm finding that the characteristics of this are the same. Exactly the same. It's a really slick soap to use. So it's been a big year for Omni Garage. Call this kind of our Christmas special catch-up right now, but I mean, we've made a lot of content this year, particularly toward the tail end of the year as we led into SEMA. We've been, I think if we can give ourselves a pat on the back, we've been pretty consistent.
Yeah, I mean, the detailing business has done really well for us. We've got our hands on some pretty good cars that we would have probably thought that we'd never be able to polish. So we're really thankful to our customers to taking the plunge and supporting Omni Garage with their vehicles, and that's really helped us and afforded us the ability to buy products, continue to make YouTube videos, and also probably get us to SEMA 2024, where we managed to meet a lot of fantastic brands, a lot of fantastic people, a lot of YouTubers, and that networking time over there was really important. I think we've got some big things coming in 2025.
Yeah, I mean, I think the highlight for me this year has been, it's been a whole range of things, but if we had to put it down to any one thing, it's relationships. And I think that that's a byproduct of us, you know, consistently creating content, engaging with some other creators, but also, you know, getting along to SEMA and making some awesome relationships there. So again, you know, if you took the time to talk to us while we're at SEMA, we really appreciate that. You know, we'd like to think we've built some pretty good relationships there that will continue for years to come. And
have you done the front?
We can, yeah, I've done the front, but not the bumper. And, you know, hopefully we can do some awesome things with some of those relationships as well. So what does 2025 have in store for Omni Garage?
a lot of YouTube content.
Yep.
We've got cabinets and cabinets and cabinets of products to try out.
We do.
So we're going to continue on with that product development. We're going to continue on with trying new products so that we can basically let you know what you should buy, what you shouldn't buy, and some new techniques that you should try out.
So we've also got a exciting secret project that we're going to be working on next year.
Yeah.
Looking forward to that. We'll hopefully be able to share some more details of that with you guys soon. We'll look to continue to grow the detailing business as well, and I think selfishly for us, it's going to become a little bit of a vice to have enough vehicles to put some of these awesome products to the test on as well. As you see, we've got cabinets of products,
Lots of cabinets of products, and I mean, Glenn and I use our own private vehicles, and I mean, the other blue Subi has had so many products on there. For that ceramic coating, it's got G-Technic on it, and it's lasted five or so years, still performing really well, and that's basically our test pilot. So that ceramic coating we're using is still holding up. So
it's
but yeah, you're right. We use all these products, and we sort of cringe sometimes when we're trying things out, and we're like, oh, should that be going on there, or should but seems to be okay.
So I guess in summary, lots more content to come from us next year. Hopefully a lot more customer vehicles as well that we can correct, protect, and get to share with them what having a car that is looking fantastic, feeling fantastic, feels like as well. Hopefully we get some ceramic coatings on more cars within the area, and that secret project launch as well. So we're going to keep ourselves very, very busy through 2025, that's for sure.
And so, none of this is really possible unless you guys watch the videos, you comment in the videos, you subscribe to the channel, and we're really grateful for that, because that helps us basically get to SEMA, buy new products, and also feel, I guess, slightly justified in the car community. So we really appreciate that. We hope you guys have a fantastic Christmas. Really happy holidays to you and your family. But that's it from Omni Garage, and stay tuned for more awesome content from us to come.
Yeah, thank you so much from both of us. We'll catch you guys. Not next year, we've still got more content this year, but
ooh, don't scratch.
You know what? Maybe it was a good thing you just lost your ring in that bucket, because I've just banged my ring into the car.
We did get told from a subscriber to take all jewellery off.
We did.
When detailing.
And I said typically, do you know what I said? I said typically when I wash the car, I put my hand on top of the mitt, not underneath the mitt. And I stay.
Maybe he's correct then.
Maybe he is correct, but do you know what? These things happen sometimes.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next week.
Happy holidays.